Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I am at job site address 1427 Northeast 5th Avenue in Camas, Washington. This is a post-video inspection of a sewer liner that we installed. We basically installed from where the cast iron pipe left the house to the city clay connection to repair the faulty Orangeburg pipe. I've gained access through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout in the basement bedroom. I've pushed out to the city, and I will pull back now to start my inspection. So here's the end of our sewer liner where it ties in with the clay connection. And here's the start of our liner where it originally transitioned from the cast iron to the Orangeburg. And the line looks good, and this completes our inspection.